Good morning, guys. Thanks for what's up, you guys? It's Go Dogs Phone. What you guys been up to? Anything for questions and anything? So, well, right now, we are just trying to figure out what we're gonna have for breakfast this morning. I do not know. I had to pack too today, so make sure everything's organized so we can get things going. Make sure everything. So good. So I'm just trying to figure this in my head. What we're gonna pack and what we're not gonna pack. Because I'm gonna come home, probably stop packing. And that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna have some. Let's have some. Spaghetti. Not zubas. Zubies. So basically spaghetti kind of. But with zoo animals, yeah. So that's what we're gonna do. So I will talk to you guys when I get this on the oven.
This is my vlog channel. Check out my main channel. Do. It's Go Dogs for One.
Hey guys, what's up, you guys? It's Go Dogs for One. What you guys been up to? So right now I'm just relaxing. Just gonna be heading into work soon. So that's what I'm doing. Gonna head into work. So I will talk to you guys when I am done work. So talk to you guys when I'm done work. I already packed my lunch earlier. So that's what I'm doing. So I will talk to you guys when I am done. So right now, you guys, I'm just at work, so I'll talk to you guys when I'm done work.
Hey everyone. Oh. Hi everyone. So, I'm almost at work, and today is going to be another fun day. So yeah, it's Thursday. So, yep. I'm going to go to work now. So I'll see you probably maybe during my break. Okay. Yeah. Hi guys, so I'm home. So yeah, I'm just editing a video for Saturday for my channel. But yeah, so, and my other clips that I was trying to send to Gareth got deleted. So, but yeah, anyway, so I'm just editing a video. But yeah, that's what I've been doing all night. And waiting for Gareth to call. But yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. I might go and eat something real quick because I am getting a little bit hungry. So yeah.
Hey guys, so right now, you guys, we are packing for camping, so that's what we're doing. Sorry if you guys heard that little noise, but I'm packing for camping. Yeah, we are packing for camping for the week. So that's what I'm doing. So I have to find a bag that I'm gonna put everything in. So that's what we're doing. So right now, you guys, I'm just in my parents' place, so that's what I'm doing. So I will talk to you guys when we get to my parents' place, because I'm just staying there for 2 days, and then we are gonna do some pretty cool, amazing stuff. So that's what we're gonna do. So right now, you guys, we're just getting the trailer hooked up. So, because I'm not going to be using my vehicle for a little while, so we're getting the trailer hooked up. So that's what we're doing. Hey guys, so right now, you guys, we are cooking up barbecue pizza. Yeah, we are cooking up barbecue pizza. Yeah. Yeah, I did. About a couple minutes. So right now, you guys, we are just watching A Week Away. You guys, yeah, we are watching A Week Away. Yes, that's what I'm doing. Hey guys, so I'm getting today's video. I hope you guys enjoy this episode. If you guys do, give it a big thumbs up and talk to you guys tomorrow with a brand new video. Goodbye.